My family and friends, this is what we have for dinner. So of course the chicken wings that I baked earlier, and then we're gonna eat with the potatoes, baked potatoes. It's still in the oven, but I'll show you. This is the ranch dressing. It's very good. So ranch dressing, and then I use the vegetable dip for the broccoli, which is very healthy. And then we'll just wait for the potatoes. And also it's easy. I use the Idaho 100% potato fabs, so that's very good. Dip into ketchup and broccoli, very healthy for you. So my friends, have a good dinner. Please follow me on YouTube and Facebook, so you will know what do I have planned for the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a like or comments, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. And please hit that bell button so you get notified in my next video. Thank you so much. You have a good dinner. Hello my friends, what do you have for dinner? Well, you know, the only thing I can think, when you have a busy life, you don't know what to cook for dinner. So I opened the freezer and what I saw are chicken wings. So let's do chicken wings tonight. So please check it out. This is very simple, similar to buffalo wings. What are the ingredients? The chicken wings I cut into half, so this is look like. And then I put, you know, the ingredients are of course chicken. You have salt, black pepper, garlic, salt, and baking powder. Okay. So what I have to do, put a little bit of salt. Just a little bit of salt. Not too spicy, not too salty. And then put a little bit of black pepper. Fresh is always good. And some garlic, salt, and a little bit of baking powder. This is the baking powder, make it like a little bit crispy. Makes it good. Smells good already. The black pepper makes it good. A little bit more. Garlic, salt, maybe two. You know, just estimate this, but you know, like depending how many wings you have, just estimate it. Make sure it's not very salty. And maybe a little bit more of this. This is like a rush cooking with no planning. What I saw when I opened the freezer, I used that, you know, depending. Of course you have to cut it and then wash it good. put in the wrap. I put some aluminum foil on the tray, so it's not too difficult to wash. So I rinse it. And it's good also when you put in the wrap, so the oil will just drop in the aluminum foil. So bake this for like 300-degree oven for like 30 minutes or until golden brown. Then I'll show you the next step. There you go. While waiting for the chicken in the oven, what I have to do is prepare the sauce. Okay, it's I love garlic pepper, so I put like maybe, you know, it's like a teaspoon maybe. It's up to you. And also, if you don't have sweet and sour sauce, you can use honey. But on this one, maybe I'll put, let's say, 2 tablespoons. This one not much left, so I will put a little bit of water and finish it. Because this is almost done. I love sweet and sour sauce because it's perfect for what I do. And then of course a little bit of barbecue sauce, maybe 2 tablespoons. Okay, maybe there. And then mix it good. Like I said, if you don't have, or you can have barbecue sauce, and then black pepper, and if you don't have any, you can use the ready-made, you know, already in the, just like whatever your favorite sauce. And then mix it well, and if you taste it a little bit, I like the taste already. And then maybe I put another tablespoon because we have a little bit more of chicken wings, so enough for the sauce. And then mix it well. See, look, and you have to look at the, mix it well, look at the consistency. I put a little water on the sweet and sour sauce because not much left, so I finish it. And mix it well. See the, look at the, have to check the consistency. See that? Isn't that pretty? Because of the garlic pepper, there's a, you can see the garlic pepper on the sauce, so it looks pretty nice. Let me see, check it again. And then if you want a little spicy, you can put like the chili sauce. And let me see, what do I have? I have what about Tabasco? Maybe I just put a little bit because not many like spicy, so maybe 3 drops, because Tabasco is very spicy. So, and then makes it really good. And then cover this, put in the refrigerator for until the chicken is brown, and then brush it up with this one, and then put it back until golden brown. So when the chicken wings is already brown, then you take it out from the rack and then brush up with the sauce that you made, and then put it back for another 2-3 minutes, and then bring it back again and brush up a little bit again. So we're gonna eat this with maybe potatoes and then some type of vegetables. Okay, here is this is what we have for dinner. Of course, we have the chicken wings, and then the broccoli. I just blanched the broccoli, fresh one, and then we have ranch dressing and the vegetable dip for the broccoli. I'm waiting for the potatoes that goes with this one. So it's simple, but it's very easy.